Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist, YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw on your eyeliner. Simple, easy, breezy, 1 2 3 and you are done. A lot of people have been complaining that they can't really do this like simple thing. To me it's simple, but I just thought of it and I said, okay, let me come on here and show you guys how to do that. Now you can either make use of a marker-like pen liquid liner like this, and you also have the pot ones that come like this. Personally, if you're having problems applying your liquid liner, your wing eyeliner, then I would advise you use the marker-like type, okay, rather than using this. Less chance of smudging, of making mistakes and all of that. If you want to see or learn how to apply your wing liner like a pro, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. And this is the part where I'm going to show you how to apply a liquid liner like a pro. I prefer these pencil liners. They also have the pots liquid liner. This one's that you open up like this and it has the wand, but I personally prefer the marker-like one like this. So you're just going to start in gentle motion, drawing your line as close to your lash line as possible. Gently, gently, gently. And when you get to the edge, you twist your hand like this. From the edge here, where the up and bottom part of your lid joins, you just draw a line upwards just before your brow bone here. You stop and then you join it to this path right here. Join it like this, and there you have your wing. Very simple, very easy. People have told me that they want to learn how to do a wing liner, that theirs doesn't always come out well, and I said it's as simple as that. Another thing is that you always have to use a liquid liner that is comfortable for you to use. Now I have been doing makeup for a while, so I can make use of either or. Now when you get to this part where your eye up and bottom part of your eye joins, you just take it upwards a bit. You see that, and then you join. I've been doing makeup for a while now, so I can make use of either or, but you have to know what works for you so that it will be easy for you to apply your liquid liner. Some people, this pen might be easier. It's easier for everybody I know anyway than the pot one. So there you have it, guys. I don't know, I have my lashes on now. I don't know if you can really see the winged eyeliner, but you know, it's showing a little bit. I don't like my wing being so long. If you're a dramatic kind of person, you can, you know, draw it out some more, but I just like my wing being just like this. And you saw how easy it was to just do this, right? So there you have it, guys, how to put on a wing liner. Simple, easy, breezy, 1 2 3 and you are done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you for staying tuned till the end, and until I come your way again next week, remain blessed. Bye, guys.